All right, today I was cleaning out the fridge. Had that big old pot of potato soup. I had to find somewhere to put in there. So today's snack, meal, whatever you want to make it, will be potato cakes. Leftover mashed potatoes, 0 cost. 1/2 of a small onion, $1.50 a pound, some change, and some flour, and an old Yardbird egg. And let's get at it. But stuff like this is great. It goes with anything. It's like a salmon patty. Maybe a little more. These will be golden brown. Some of the onions will caramelize, some of them will stay on the inside. One egg. We're going to work our flour in. I don't know how much, probably about a cup, maybe a little more. All depends on how much mashed potatoes you got left over. The egg helps bind it all together and hold it. You can't really taste it. And if you add too much flour, add a little milk, ain't no big deal. Don't have flour, I'd venture to say you could probably use crackers or something too. That'd probably be pretty good. I had more potatoes than I thought. Let's try 2 cups of flour. Yeah, I'd say it's going to be perfect. We're going to patty these out like a hamburger or a salmon patty or something. And then we're going to fry them off in bacon grease. I do have olive oil and cook on. It's just my favorite thing. Yeah, that's perfect. About like this is what you're looking for. All right. Now that we got that oil heating up, I'm going to patty these out and have them waiting, and I'll be back. All right. Now we've done got our potato cakes patted out. They'll flatten out on both sides as we fry them. They're a little ugly right now, but they won't be. We got our grease heated up in the skillet. Like I said, these are going to turn out golden brown, and we can take the fixings we have for the potato soup, the green onion, the cheese, the bacon bits, and they can be used to dress these up too. We use them for a side, but if you did it like that, they can be used as a meal. Now our stuff's already been seasoned, so we won't have to season it again until we get it out of the skillet. Just salt and pepper it and dress it up. All right, we got our first flip in. Now that only took maybe a minute. So I'm going to get the second flip in and make sure they're golden brown all over, and I'm going to put them over here and show you how I dress them up. All right, so we've got these browned off. They're crunchy. They're tender in the middle. They've got the sweet of the onion. And we got our leftover fixings from our soup. I would say some green onions would probably be real good. Some bacon. Bacon always goes good with potatoes. Some cheese. Cheese make everything better. And how about some sour cream in the middle? So anyways, guys, fried potato cakes, leftover mashed potatoes, probably, I don't know, $1 worth of sweet onion. You had everything else right here. So those are really good. Those have been one of my favorites for a long time. We eat them with beans and stuff around here. So